Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini with a debit card. First, you will need to create a Gemini account, which is a straightforward process. This involves providing some basic personal information and setting up your login credentials. Next, you'll complete the identity verification steps, often called KYC, to ensure security and compliance. This usually requires uploading a photo ID and a selfie, taking just a few minutes. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for robust account protection. Once your Gemini account is set up and verified, the next step is to link your debit card. Head over to the Settings or Account section within the Gemini platform and look for payment methods. Here, you'll select the option to add a debit card. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. For verification, you might be prompted to take a picture of your card using the Gemini mobile application, which is a quick and easy process. With your debit card linked, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. From the Gemini dashboard, navigate to the Market tab or simply select Bitcoin from the main list of cryptocurrencies. You'll then enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Be sure to select your newly linked debit card as the payment method. Before finalizing, carefully review the order details, including any associated fees. Once satisfied, confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. When buying Bitcoin with a debit card on Gemini, keep a few things in mind. There's typically a daily purchase limit of $1,000 for debit card transactions. Also, be aware that debit card deposits usually come with a fee, often around 3.99% of the transaction amount. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong, unique password for your account. Starting with smaller amounts is a good strategy for new users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.